Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I am your social studies teacher Miss Saira Zedi. Today your homework is do page number 36 on your school workbook. Now open page number 36, write date and day and write homework. Match these places of worship with their religion and symbols. हमारे पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं और हमने इनके रिलीजन्स के साथ इनकी मैचिंग करनी है. We read and learn in class where the Muslims prayer in mosque. This is a picture of mosque. And where is Hindu prayers? Hindu prayers in temple. And this is a picture of temple. And where is Christians prayer? Christians prayers in church. And this is a picture of church. Now look at these pictures. And what is the name of this picture is? Temple. And what is the name of this picture? Mosque. What is the name of this picture? Church. And then Muslims, Hindus, Christians. Now tell me, where is Hindus prayers? Yes, Hindus prayers in temple. Now match the temple to Hindu. And where is Muslims prayer? Muslims prayer is mosque. Now match the mosque to Muslims. And where is Christians prayers? Christians prayer in church. All these religions has its unique symbols. Like crescent. Crescent represents the new moon upon which the Islamic calendar is based, and it is the sign of Muslims. And cross sign represent Christ being put on a wooden cross by people who were against him, and it is the sign of Christians. And this is a sign of Om. Om Trishul represent a type of spear held by one of the Hindu god, and this sign represent Hindus. Okay, class 1 students, hope you understand your homework. Thank you.